Hi, all. Welcome to Om Shri Tara. If you're going through premenstrual syndrome or if you're always having mood swings, sometimes you're very good, sometimes you're not able to manage the pressure or the stress at work, or you yourself will know, am I being moody now or am I being little, uh, away from the normal life, or maybe your wife or your sister or your mother will be going through such mood swings, especially women. So in that case, how moon does waxing and waning, similarly your mood will also swing like that. So there is a easy remedy to help you with your mood swings and stress relief, and like a stress, like how to harmonize, to calm down your mood swings. All you have to do is find a mother of pearl shell. This is the original mother of pearl. We have pearls along with it, but this is a cultured pearl. Again, these days, finding a real pearl is very difficult. We get is cultured pearl. So this is a cultured pearl, but this is original shell, mother of pearls. So I haven't pulled out all the pearls from here. I just left a few in here so that it will give me more energy in it. So all you have to do is keep this shell in your dressing table or where you keep your jewelry. And then you can keep every day you go to work, you come, you take out your jewelry or necklace or rings and just place it over here. So what it does is it not only calms the energies that these jewelry hold, also when you keep seeing it, it also calms you down. So keep this in your dressing table where you can see it often when you're at home or get dressed. And then keep the jewelry like this in here. It'll also harmonize whatever energy these jewelry will wear. And if you wear this jewelry, leave it overnight or once you come from work, and then you wear the jewelry back, and this will have the energy of pearls and the shell on your jewelry, which will help you to calm down, help you with your mood swings, help you with your premenstruational syndrome or menopause syndrome where your mood go up and down like that. So mother of pearls along with real cultured pearls can help you with your mood swings and your stress anxiety level big time. It can harmonize your tension. So leave this mother of pearls on your dressing table and put jewelry on it, and then use the jewelry from these shell. It'll help you big time with your mood swings.